fellow crafters and fellow coupon lovers, just a Florida crafter, and I just want to share this small haul with you. And actually it's really not a haul, so to speak, but if you remember, maybe a month ago we were getting these marathon bars free at Walgreens. Well, again, they're 2 for $1 at Walgreens, and there were tear pad coupons at various convenience stores. I found mine at the Circle K for save $1 on 2, so which makes them absolutely free. And also, if you know this, remember the San Pellegrino was free also at CVS, had dollar coupons, and they were 99 cents. Well, the reason that I'm sharing this with you is over on, I think his name is Pagan Art Guy. I put his name in the description box, and if you haven't checked him out, go over and check him out. He's an awesome dude. He's in nursing school, and he has been really racking up. But the reason I'm sharing this with you is I got this from him. He gets a lot of gum and a lot of energy bars and things like that. And what he does is he keeps bags packed in his car, and as he's traveling and he sees someone that's homeless or might be on the side of the road asking for food or what have you, he hands them out a bag. I thought that was just an awesome idea, and it gave me chills. So what I'm doing is I'm gonna take probably either one of these marathon bars or 2 marathon bars and a San Pellegrino, put in a bag along with a little word of encouragement, and keep these in the back of my car so that as I'm traveling, which usually most of the time I'm traveling by myself because, you know, my seats are always loaded, then I could just hand these out. Just want to share the blessings, people. That's it for now, and as always, thanks for stopping by and have a blessed day. Bye.